Good morning. Steve had shit to do. How's everybody doing? Drinking my coffee. Well, this might be Tito's. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. I'm gonna work on a few things here at the plant. And it's Friday. It's Friday. I'm tired. I'm a little sore. All I've been doing is working, but hey, that's what we gotta do to make that pay. You know, bills come up, and that takes it right there. You want that extra, you know, you gotta hustle, make that pay. I hope everybody has a wonderful Friday. I'll keep y'all in tune. I think I'm gonna work on some gate motor stuff here at the plant today. I got some sensors going bad and stuff on one of these automatic gate openers. Yeah, I don't know. Who knows? Might end up with doing other stuff, but that's where I'm at, baby. Have a wonderful morning. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna work on today. Well, just for a little while, hopefully it don't take long. I replaced that sensor not too long ago. I haven't put up the reflector. It's just keep the gate from closing up on somebody or whatever when they go through. But this thing's been under Irma. Hurricane Irma flooded this whole back area, and this part of the board got fried, and it's just to control some of the sensors. This is all waterproof protected coating, so it didn't damage that or anything else. I mean, the gate motor still works great. Still opens and closes with the probe sensor that's dug in the ground right there. You know, you drive over, it picks up like metal from your frame or whatever on your car, and it'll open the gate automatically. But the close safety beam is not working, and it's all because of this, because this got fried underwater. But that was Irma, and that's been some years now. So I'm finally getting back to this thing and try to get this thing right, and hopefully that fixes it. These are pretty good gate motors. They last forever. These are the lights, leads, or whatever. A little finicky at times, but they hold up. They're expensive, but they hold up. But I'm always working on these things. They're finicky, but there we go. Oh, rats. Yeah, baby, wired up. Everything's working back to normal. Yeah, this is what Irma did a long time ago. It just reached up to the top of that where it fried it. These other boards here, this main board, it's pretty sealed off and waterproof. Like, they seal them pretty good. These are really great units. I mean, this thing is old, and it's been through storm after storm, and Irma flooded this thing all the way up, and it still works like new pretty much. I mean, it's a little shaky, rattly, but you know, they do get finicky and things happen. But yeah, this new board is good. I got my safety beam hooked up. I may need to do some adjustment. It ain't like perfect, but you can see I got a safety beam. This was all a mess too. It was causing the safety beam not to work. My push button here, I'm gonna put that back in. I kind of redid some of it. It's an old push button, but it works. It wasn't working. It works now. It works. Loving it. Be putting that back in soon. Be tying all this back up here and here. You know, that's a new safety beam. I got my little reflector there that reactivates. I'll show you how this works. Once it closes, it's on a timer. Close in just any moment. There it goes, and like say a car comes through, it ain't gonna slam on you now. Like, there we go. There we go, safety beam activated work. That's it, baby. I'm always into something different every day. You never know. But yeah, I do it all.